Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the tab and installing apps. First, confirm you have at least 2 GB free and a compatible Android build so apps run smoothly. Next, sign into your Microsoft account because Office features sync across devices. Create one if needed. Then open Google Play or Galaxy Store and install Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Once done, launch each app once to accept permissions and let background syncing initialize, which prevents login or file access issues later. Now you set up syncing and learn the tablet controls. First, open Word, Excel, and PowerPoint and sign in with the same account. Enable OneDrive so your files appear across devices. Make sure autosave is turned on and configure offline availability for documents you'll edit without Wi-Fi. Then spend a few minutes learning touch gestures. Pinch to zoom, long press to select, and use the ribbon's condensed layout for touch. This reduces accidental taps and speeds editing. Once comfortable, create or finish by polishing workflow and knowing one key fix. Share files from within Office apps using OneDrive links or attachments and set editing permissions to control access. Keep Office apps updated through the store and clear an app's cache if you see slow syncing or crashes, because cached conflicts often cause issues. If a problem persists, sign out and back in, verify your tab has enough storage, and only reinstall the app as a final step. This sequence resolves most common errors and gets you back to productive editing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.